Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew in OSRS. First, you will need to gather your basic ingredients: a bowl, some raw meat, and a potato. Once you have these items, your next step is to cook the raw meat. Use any range or fire available in the game to turn it into cooked meat. This is the foundation for your delicious meal. To elaborate on the ingredients, ensure you have one bowl, one piece of raw meat, and one potato. Finding these items is generally straightforward in Gielinor. After acquiring the raw meat, head to a cooking source like a range or a campfire to cook it. Remember, a cooking level of 25 is required to successfully prepare stew without burning it, so train up if needed. Once you have your cooked meat and potato, simply use them together in the bowl. This action will create a hearty stew, ready for consumption. Eating stew provides excellent benefits, restoring 11 hit points to your character. Furthermore, it grants a temporary boost of 5 levels to both your attack and strength stats, making it useful for combat. For those looking to optimize their stew making, consider wearing a chef's hat. It slightly increases your success rate. You can also experiment with various raw meats, though the core recipe remains consistent. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, along with other great deals. They truly are worth it for comfort and durability, and you might find other useful resources there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.